Hello everyone, welcome again to my math class. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to find the missing quantity in a joint variation. So meron tayong mga steps na sinusunod. So the first one will be write down the mathematical equation and form the equation of the constant. So parang yung sa direct lang tsaka sa inverse, write down the mathematical equation and then equation of the constant if the constant is not given. Okay, and then we will solve for the constant. After solving for the constant, we will substitute the value of that constant in the mathematical equation para mabuo natin yung equation of variation. Okay, if needed, derive the formula for the unknown. So hindi naman kasi laging kung ano yung equation of variation mo, yun yung unknown. So sometimes nasa kabilang side yung missing. Okay, so using those steps, let us have some examples. Z varies jointly to x and y, and z is equal to 60 when x is equal to 5 and y equal to 6. Find z when x is equal to 50 and y equals negative 4. So let us have the solution. So b varies jointly to x and y means sa mathematical equation it will be c is equal to k times the product of x and y. So if we find the formula for the constant, ba natin yung xy sa kabilang side. So k now is equal to z is equal c over xy. Z daw is 60 when x is equal to 5 and y equals to 6. So let us solve for the value of k. K now is equal to 60 divided by 5 and times 1/2. So k now is equal to 60 divided by 6 is 10. And 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay, so k now is equal to 2. So pag na-solve na natin yung value ng k na yan, i-substitute natin siya dun sa mathematical equation para mabuo natin yung equation of variation. So z now is equal to 2 times x times y. So ito na ngayon yung ating equation of variation. So hinahanap natin z, so wala na tayong gagalawin sa equation of variation. So solve na natin siya. So z now is equal to 2 times negative 50 times negative 4. Okay, so z now is equal to negative 50 times negative 4 will be positive 200, right? Times 2, so will be 400. So say now, or c now is equal to 400. Let us go now to example number 2. Okay, so q varies jointly to r and the square of s. And q is equal to 200 when r is equal to 2 and s is equal to 5. Find q when r is 10 and s is equal to 3. So let us have the mathematical equation. So q varies jointly to r and the square of s means q is equal to k times r times s squared. Okay, so para makuha natin yung formula for k or equation ng constant will be k equals to q over r times s squared. Substituting the given values, we have Q equals to 200, R equals to 2, and S is equal to 5. So K now is equal to 200 divided by R natin is 2. Then yung S natin is 5. So 5 squared. So divide muna natin yung 200 sa 2. So may 100 tayo. So K is equal to 100. Yung 5 squared is 25. So lagay natin muna 25. So 100 divided by 25 will be 4. So K is equal to 4. So substitute natin yan dun sa mathematical equation para makuha natin yung equation of variation. So Q now will be 4 R S squared. So yan na ngayon yung ating equation of variation or variation equation. So ang hinahanap sa problem is Q kapag ang R daw ay 10 and S equal to 3. So hindi na natin gagalawin pa yung tayo magdiderive pa ng formula, yung equation of variation na mismo gagamitin natin. So Q now will be 4 times 10. Ang S natin will be 3 squared. So Q now will be 40. Yung 4 times 10 is 40 times 9. Yung 3 squared is 9. So Q now will be 40 times 9 will be 360. So Q now will be 360. Okay. Okay, let us go now to the last example. Number 3, y varies jointly to x and z. And y equals negative 15 when x equals to 6 and z is 1/2. Find x when y equals negative 20 and z is 1/3. So yun, y varies jointly to x and z means ang mathematical equation natin will be y equals to k times x times z. And kunin natin yung equation ng constant. So k now will be y over xc. Okay, ang y daw ay negative 15 kapag ang x ay 6 at ang z ay 1/2. So substitute natin sa given. K now equals to negative 15 times 6 or divided by 6 times 1/2. As you can see, yung 6 can be divided by 2, so that will be 3. And also, negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. So, i-box natin. Yan na ngayon ang value ng ating constant, negative 5. Na isa-substitute natin dun sa mathematical equation para sa k. Para mabuo natin ang equation of variation. So, y now will be equal to negative 5 times x times z. So, ito na ngayon ang ating equation of variation. But sa problem natin, ang minahanap x. So, mag-derive ka ng formula na gamit ang equation of variation. Yung negative 5 na yun, tsaka yung z, ibaba mo as denominator ng y. So, x now will be equal to y over negative 5 times z. Yan na ngayon ang formula ang gagamitin mo para mahanap ang x. Okay, substitute natin. Ang y daw ay negative 20. And then, ang ating constant ay negative 5. And z is 1/3. Okay, so, negative 20 divided by negative 5 will be 4. And can be written also as 4 over 1. Mag-divide tayo ng fraction dito. Ang denominator natin will be 1/3. So, proceed tayo as in multiplication. Kunin mo lang yung reciprocal ng denominator. So, 4 over 1 times the reciprocal of 1/3, that will be 3 over 1. Then, multiply natin ang numerator, multiply natin ang denominator. X now will be 12. Okay, so yan ang value ng x natin kapag ang y ay negative 20 and z is 1/3. So, yun. Ganun lang kadaling mag-solve ng missing quantity sa isang joint variation. Just follow the steps. Sana may natutunan kayo. God bless everyone. Thank you.